On Monday, July 22nd, a protest was held at Mysore Bank Circle in Bengaluru under the leadership of Vatal Nagaraj, the President of Kannada Okkuta. The President aimed to insist that the employment bill for Kannadigas be tabled in the current session. The event saw participation from various leaders of Kannada unions. Among the prominent figures were Govindu, the President of the Dr. Raj Kumar Fan Association, K.R. Kumar, the State President of Kannada Sene, Sivarame and Praveen Kumar Shetty, State Presidents of Karnataka Rakshana vedike, and Manjunath Dev and H.V. Girish Gowda, State Presidents of Kannada jagruti vedike. Leaders and activists from numerous pro-Kannada organizations also took part in the protest.